There are three components to balanced literacy. There is shared writing, where the teacher composes writings modeling the 6 writing traits, while students listen and later incorporate the traits into their own writing. Then we have interactive writing, where the teacher composes an enlarged text with the students. Students participate by writing parts of the text. Lastly, we have independent writing, where students produce their own written texts. One way to engage students in independent writing is through the writing workshop. Writing workshop also has 3 components. It begins with an introduction, where a mini lesson on any certain topic is introduced. Then a sample of literature is shown, and a part of the writing process is then modeled. Students can share out their suggestions or comments. Then there is writing time, where the students plan, begin, or continue their drafts. During this time, teachers meet with students who have questions or concerns. Finally, there is sharing time, where students get to share their writing. All these components of balanced literacy are connected with the writing process that contains 5 stages. This writing process also connects with the 6 traits of writing. The first stage in the writing process is rehearsing and pre-writing. Rehearsing is internal, while pre-writing is making a topic visible through either talking, webbing, listing, or drawing. The trait connections include coming up with ideas. The second stage is drafting, which is important because students get everything down on paper to have a sense of the whole. The writing traits associated with this stage are ideas and organization. Organization refers to writing having a sense of direction. The next stage is revising. In this stage, the trait connections include ideas, organization, voice, which makes the writing unique to the student, word choice, which is the use of words or phrases that help to clarify meaning, to help the reader get an image of the writing, and sentence fluency, the rhythm and flow of the writing. Revising connects to many of the traits because this is where teaching the traits happens. It is important to model how students can include all traits in their writing. Then there is editing that connects to the trait, conventions, and presentation, which enhances readability and meaning by editing for punctuation, spelling, and grammar. The next phase is sharing, where students learn to read to an audience. For shy students, it'd be a good idea to have them first read to themselves and then to someone they'd feel comfortable reading to. The trait connection is voice. The last phase is publishing, which is where students go public with their writing. Examples include making a book, where the students decide on every part of the design. The trait connection is convention and presentation. The writing process interconnects with the writing traits, and they connect with the 3 aspects of balanced literacy, as any stage and trait can be taught and modeled in each aspect.